Everyone thinks the best-selling electronic dartboard is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Franklin Sports Electronic Dartboard. First up, we have the Franklin Sports Electronic Dartboard. Priced at just $39, this is perfect for those looking for affordable fun. What caught my attention is the built-in digital scoreboard, which automatically tracks your score and even adds voice effects for a lively game atmosphere. If you want a budget-friendly option that keeps the score for you, this is worth a serious look. Now, here's why this product can really work for you. With 65 game variations, the fun never stops. You can play with family or friends and never get bored. It also comes with 6 soft tip darts and replacement tips, so you're all set right out of the box. Plus, it's designed to be kid-safe, making it perfect for families. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You can jump right into the game without worrying about anyone getting hurt. But I have to be honest, some users mention the sound effect can be a bit cheesy. Here's the thing though, if you're buying this for the kids or a casual game night, those sound effects might actually add to the fun, not detract from it. So if you're looking for a great starter board without breaking the bank, this is a solid choice. This is perfect for you if you're just starting out or need a fun distraction for family game night. Skip this one if you're looking for intense competition or advanced features. For value, it's hard to beat at this price. Now, if the Franklin's basic features concern you, the next product might be a better fit for serious players. Product number 2, Arachnid Cricket Pro. Next up is the Arachnid Cricket Pro, priced at $249.99. This one really caught my eye for its tournament quality features. If you're into serious dart gameplay, you'll want to pay attention here. If you want a board that mimics a real arcade vibe, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this product solves your problem. It boasts a regulation 15.5-inch target area and supports up to 8 players. With 40 different games and 179 variations, including several cricket modes, you and your friends can enjoy a wide range of gameplay. The LED scoring system keeps track of everything in real time, so no more manual counting. This lets you focus on your game rather than the math. Plus, it includes an optional heckler feature that adds a playful twist during matches. Now, some people complained about the price being a bit steep for a homeboard. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about your dart game and want that authentic feel, the investment is worth it. You'll be playing with friends and family for years to come. And it's packed with features that cater to both casual and competitive players. This is perfect for you if you have a home game room or are hosting regular dart nights. Skip this one if you're just looking for a casual board for the occasional game. For tournament quality features, it's a great value considering the build quality and game variety. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a nice blend of quality and price. Product number 3, Fat Cat Mercury Dartboard. Now, let's talk about the Fat Cat Mercury Electronic Dartboard. Coming in at $166.40, it strikes a nice balance between quality and affordability. The first thing you'll notice is the sleek design with a built-in storage cabinet for darts, which is a nice touch if you want to keep your game area organized. If you want a stylish setup that keeps everything tidy, this is worth a serious look. Why this product may solve your problem. It features a 13.5-inch target area with precision holes to minimize bounce outs, and it supports up to 8 players across 28 games. The advanced digital scoring is a big deal. It tracks your scores and even shows averages after each game. It's basically like having a personal scorekeeper. This means you can focus on improving your skills rather than keeping track of numbers. However, some users mentioned that the darts feel a bit lightweight. Here's my perspective. While it might take some getting used to, lighter darts can actually improve your throwing technique over time. Plus, you can always upgrade your darts later if you want something heavier. This is perfect for you if you want an attractive board that offers a variety of games and good scoring features. Skip this if you need something super advanced or heavy duty. For the price, it's a solid pick that combines style and functionality well. Now, if you need something with even more player options, the next product might just blow your mind. Product number 4, Win.Max Electronic Dartboard. Next on the list is the Win.Max Electronic Dartboard, priced at $168.99. What I found intriguing is the sheer number of game options. 38 games with 211 scoring variations. If you want endless entertainment, this is worth a serious look. Here's how this product meets your needs. It accommodates up to 16 players, which is fantastic for larger gatherings. The design features ultra-thin wires to minimize bounce outs, plus a large catch ring to protect your walls from stray darts. The bright LED display makes it easy to read scores and statistics, which is perfect for competitive play. This means you can focus on enjoying the game without any hassle. However, some users pointed out that the control panel can be a bit overwhelming at first. Here's the thing. Once you get the hang of it, the features are incredibly useful and versatile, making it easier to customize your gameplay. This is perfect for you if you regularly host large groups and need something that can handle multiple players. Skip this if you prefer a simpler, more straightforward board. For the number of games and players it supports, it's a good value. Now, if you're looking for something really budget-friendly, the next option might surprise you. Product number 5, Peyote Electronic Dartboard. Finally, we have the Peyote Electronic Dartboard, which is quite the steal at just $62.99. What stands out is its colorful LED displays and a whopping 427 game options. If you're on a budget but want a board that feels premium, this is worth a serious look. This product solves your problem by featuring ultra-thin segment dividers to reduce bounce outs and a vibrant display that makes it easy to track your scores from across the room. It's also super easy to set up. You can power it with batteries or an adapter, so you can get playing right away. This means you can have fun without a complicated setup. But keep in mind, some users noted that the build quality feels a bit cheaper compared to pricier options. Here's the perspective. For a budget board, it delivers excellent gameplay and fun features, making it ideal for casual players or families. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a fun, budget-friendly option that still has a lot of game variety. Skip this if you're a serious player looking for advanced features. For the price, you really can't go wrong here. So, to wrap things up, we've seen the Franklin Sports for beginners, the Arachnid Cricket Pro for serious players, the stylish Fat Cat Mercury, the multi-game Win-Dot Max, and the budget-friendly Peyote. Each has its own strengths depending on what you're looking for. Choose the one that fits best with your gaming style and enjoy countless hours of fun.